When it comes to booking United flights with Capital and Venture Miles don't transfer to United. So how do you book United flights with Capital and Venture Miles? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do that. My name is Max and I help people travel more, travel better, and travel for less using airline miles, hotel points, or credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you like content like this. Let's get into it. The first option to redeem Capital One Venture Miles for United flights is to simply book through the Capital One Venture travel portal. This is by far the easiest way to do it, but it won't give you the best value for your points in most cases. Let me show you an example. I want to fly from LAX to New York on February 28th, 2023. This flight costs $152 in the Capital One Venture travel portal. To cover the entire cost of this flight, it's going to cost me 15,160 Capital One Venture Mile. If I take $152 divided by 15,160 and multiply that by 100, that gives me 1 cent per point. And so when you redeem your Capital One Venture Miles in the Capital One Venture travel portal, your points are fixed at a 1 cent per point rate. So no matter what, your Capital One Venture Miles are always going to be worth 1 cent per point in the Capital One Venture travel portal. Option 2 is to transfer Capital One Venture Miles to Capital One's transfer partners to potentially book it for fewer miles and points. Capital One Venture Miles has 15 transfer partners that are airlines, one of which is Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles. Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles only charges 7,500 Turkish Airlines miles for domestic United flights if you can find it on their website. So in order to find it on their website, first we need to go to united.com. The reason why we're going to united.com is that we're going to use united.com as a award search tool. We're not going to book through United because Capital One Venture Miles don't transfer to United, but we're just using United as a search tool. And so what we're going to do is go and search for the same exact flight that we found in the Capital One travel portal. LAX to New York on February 28th for 1 passenger in economy. Go ahead and search this, and what we want to find is Saver Award United Economy X. This is important because Saver Awards is what Turkish Airlines can typically see on their search engine. We can confirm that this flight is United Saver Awards Economy X. What we're going to do is jump over to Turkish Airlines. Here on Turkish Airlines, it's not as easy as clicking award search and searching. Turkish Airlines makes things a little difficult and a little confusing. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and sign into our account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. It's completely free. You need one in order to be able to complete the search. After I'm signed in here, what I'm going to do is go up to my account here and click on Miles Transaction. This will take me to this page. What we're going to focus on is Star Alliance award ticket because United is part of the Star Alliance and we want to click on Book Now. So this is the page that we're going to do our search on. This searches Star Alliance award partners. What we're going to do is LAX to ERW, click on One Way, click on February 28th and hit search. And these are the results. As you can see here, it's the same exact flight from LAX to New York and it's 7,500 miles. If we go and click on that and click on select flight, it's 7,500 miles and $5.60, which is a pretty awesome deal. Once you confirm this award space, you can just transfer your Capital One Venture Miles over to Turkish Airlines and complete the booking. I would have to note that Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles is not perfect and sometimes it won't see the United award availability. If that ever happens to you, you might want to call or email Turkish Airlines and see if they can see the award availability on their end. The guys over at Frequent Miler have an awesome guide and some troubleshooting tips if you ever run into issues seeing United award availability over on Turkish Miles and Smiles. I'll link it down in the description down below. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to comment below if you have any questions. And if you like miles and points tips like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below.